So now we have here our foundation stitches, and now we will do our knit. So same, we just need to insert our needle like this from behind, like, and then take your yarn, wrap yarn into the right hand needle, and then push a little bit like this and bring to the front with the yarn. Okay, so just now you have to release this stitch from here, just release like this, and then we have here stitch again. Now go to the second stitch, insert your needle like this, and then wrap your yarn and push little with this and bring to the front, and then release this stitch here. So now we stitch 2 stitches over here we have in the right hand needle, and here now again same process, wrap your yarn, release, bring to the on this, and then release from here, and then next stitch, this, then again same process, then next stitch. So make sure you are doing same stitches, same length, don't be too tight or too loose, so you have to do practice more. Then again next stitch, then next, all the way across until you will finish this row. Then again same. Okay, complete. And now we knitted 1 row, and now what we will do, this left hand needle now empty, and we have all the stitches on my right hand needle. Now we will take a switch needle, bring this to empty needle on my front right hand, and the stitches needle on my left hand. Then again same process we will do here. Right hand needle is empty, and just insert your needle on your left hand needle just to back, and then same process, take a yarn, wrap on the right hand needle and bring to the front. Again same, this is just keep going on this. This is how we knit. And now this right hand needle, all the stitches on my right hand, now just go take this and switch your needles now, and always the front stitch, first stitch we just take like this, and then now we will work same exactly. So always has to be yarn to the back side, this side, and then same process, insert your hook, and then again next. This is, now you will see your knit stitches. This is how we stitch.